I am about to make a gluten-free cake for my family get-together this weekend. Family that are gluten sensitive, have celiac, so we're gonna do a gluten-free cake. Next time I'm gonna do gluten-free and sugar-free for my other cousin. Hopefully she comes to see us this summer and I'll make her a cake. Gluten-free and sugar-free. Maybe I'll learn how to do vegan. I don't know, but whatever you guys would like to know, I'll try. We're gonna do 2 cups of cup for cup gluten-free flour. It's really important when you're making cakes with gluten-free flour that it's measure for measure or cup for cup. That's important. And we're gonna do the flour just like I do the other flour because I want it to come out right. So we're gonna do it the right way also. One cup, 2 cups. Into our dry ingredient bowl is 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure it's gluten-free. It has to say gluten-free on the bottle or it could be cross-contaminated. We don't want that. Tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. All right, a half a teaspoon baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. I use kosher salt. All right, those are our dry ingredients, and I am whisking that together. This is for our wet ingredients, okay? I'm gonna put 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. All right, 4 eggs. Room temperature is important, okay? A stick of unsalted butter here that is melted and cooled. All right, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You remember this little trick right here. 1, 2. All right, a half a cup of oil. I'm using olive oil. Last ingredient is 1 cup of buttermilk, but I don't have buttermilk. I have whole milk. I'm gonna use 1 cup of whole milk. To that 1 cup of whole milk, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of lemon juice. This creates your buttermilk for you. Did you know that? Now you do. The buttermilk in with all the rest of the stuff here. And we're going to give this a good mix. Right, I got my dry ingredients back over here. And now I'm going to add in my wet. Use this. I'm just going to mix it a bit with the spatula. Take a hand mixer, yes, I use these sometimes, and go on like a medium speed for 1 to 2 minutes until it's fluffy and all the way incorporated. This is what it looks like. I'm going to bake this at 350 in a 9x13 baking dish for 30 to 35 minutes. This is my final product for my gluten-free cake. I baked it for 28 minutes on 350. As you can see, it bounces up, back up like a regular cake. This is going to be a Jell-O poke cake.